Hello, my name is Marney Penn, and I'm a tour guide at Eastern State Penitentiary. I'd like to welcome you back to our bi-weekly discussion, Prisons and the Pandemic, where we examine the ways COVID-19 is impacting the lives of incarcerated people, correction staff, administrators, and other stakeholders within the criminal justice system. There are now 12,840 confirmed cases of incarcerated people with COVID-19. That's a 30% increase since late last week. In total, 172 incarcerated people have died from COVID-19, which is a 29% increase since last week. Cases among prison staff have increased by 33% in that same time, now totaling 6,435, and staff deaths have increased by 15%, now totaling 23. Let's take a look at prisons that are mass testing, a practice in which most or all incarcerated people are tested for the virus, whether they are showing symptoms or not. As we examine two stories, consider whether or not you support the mass testing of incarcerated people. 56 individuals at the Orleans Parish Prison have tested positive for COVID-19. The Orleans Parish Sheriff's Office is collaborating with Tulane University scientists to implement large-scale testing at the jail, where all 804 detainees will be tested, whether they are symptomatic or not. Louisiana has been hit hard by COVID-19, which is now the leading cause of death in New Orleans. With 3,500 confirmed cases, two Ohio prisons account for nearly 30% of the coronavirus cases in U.S. prisons. At the Pickaway Correctional Institution and the Marion Correctional Institution, infection rates are 77% and 81% respectively. The Ohio Department of Rehabilitation and Corrections says that the demographics of the two facilities, which house many sick and elderly prisoners, as well as the mass testing, are key reasons for the high numbers reported. In cities throughout America, getting tested for the virus is not easy. Do you think that prisons should be mass testing if people outside of prisons are having difficulties getting tested? Do you think some people should be tested before others? Let us know your thoughts. My name is Marney Penn. Thank you again for joining us for Prisons and the Pandemic. We look forward to your questions and comments, and we at Eastern State, as always, hope that you continue to take care of yourselves and each other during these unsettling times. See you next time.